Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your iPhone is unlocked and on a supported iOS version. This prevents missing options. Once ready, open Settings and tap Notifications so you see System Notification Controls. Next, scroll to Messages in the app list and tap it. That takes you into the app-specific settings where you control banners, sounds, and badges. Doing this first gets you directly to the controls you'll change, rather than hunting through menus later. You now enable Allow Notifications at the top so messages can reach you. Make deliberate choices. Pick an alert style, none, banners, or alerts, because that changes how intrusive notifications are. Then toggle sounds and badges to add audio and icon counts, and set Show Previews to Always when unlocked or never for privacy. Finally, make sure Lock Screen, Notification Center, and banners are checked so you receive alerts in the places you check most. To finish, fine-tune. Set repeat alerts if you need reminders, and use VIP or per contact settings in messages to prioritize people. Also connect these settings with focus. Do not disturb. Make sure messages is allowed in active focus modes so alerts aren't suppressed. If you still hear nothing, restart your iPhone, confirm the ringer isn't muted, and check sounds in settings and the Messages app permissions. These steps resolve most silent notification problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.